Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
Hello, so I'm gonna do a vlog. I feel like I have planned a lot of things for these days and I want to vlog it today. I'm getting ready. I just got ready to go out with my friend from Chania. Her name is Eleftheria. I haven't met her in a while and I'm so excited to see her. And she came to Thessaloniki to see her boyfriend and stay at her boyfriend's, and this is my outfit. It's pretty simple. Just a dark blue turtleneck and low-waisted jeans and this huge leather jacket on top. We're going to play pool. I'm so excited for that. I'm gonna wear this perfume that my boyfriend got me. And this that I got from a PR package. Okay, let's go. Το remix. Let's go,
I'm your boyfriend. What did you say? I'm not gonna say that again.
No, self-click your partner.
Τι να βάλω? Oh my god. Έχω.
She's gonna read me the papers. Okay.
Με σταρένια επιδερμίδα, καστανάσκουρα μαλλιά.
Με σταρένια επιδερμίδα.
Ναι.
How specific is that?
Αυτό είναι άντρας καθώς γκρίζος. Βαλέδες που έχουν ανάμεσα έξι και άλλος ένας βαλές.
Το έχεις δει το I'll be home for Christmas. Bag secured. Woo! Okay, let's go. Τέλειο.
Έλα δεις.
Θα σου βγάλω το ποτσί.
Δες. Δεν καταλαβαίνω πώς αυτός ο άνθρωπος έχει.
Γιατί τα έχεις κλειστά, αλήθεια?
Γιατί δεν θέλω να με βλέπουν απέναντι.
Είμαι κυριολεκτικά ισόγειο και όταν αλλάζω δεν τα κλείνω γιατί βαριέμαι.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Till now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
Σήμερα θα πάω 90.
Όντως. Hello. So, I'm sitting here editing this video, and in an hour I'm gonna start getting ready to go to a karaoke night with my friends. I'm so excited. We're gonna be around 5 to 6 people, and we're going to a karaoke bar. We're going to a regular bar that has karaoke nights every Tuesday. It is in a very public spot in the city. And I really want to see how many people are going to be there and if it's going to be only tourists, because this summer, me and my friend Eleftheria went to a karaoke bar that, was in Hanya. The city is not that big, but it had a lot of people. They were all tourists though, so I really want to see what kind of people are going to be there tonight. And a couple hours ago, the post office called me and told me, you have a package. I do UGC, which is basically making content for brands. They sent me their products and I make content with their products that they post on their page. Like, they post the content, I don't post anything on my page. So that brand sent me a package, but the post office that they called me from is very far away from my house. So the brand picked the wrong post office. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. And they also told me that I have to go get it by Friday. The map says that I have to take a 1-hour bus to get there. But yeah, and tomorrow, I'm not going to uni. It was supposed to be our last day tomorrow, but I'm not going because we have an English class at 9 a.m. I'm not going. Instead, I'm gonna go pick up the package and I have to film some content. And then I'm going to meet a friend of mine. It's not even a friend of mine. A guy from TikTok. Why? Because, okay. So if you follow me on TikTok, I post a lot of singing content. I post covers and my voice a lot. So a guy that also does the same thing on TikTok, posts singing content and everything, reached out to me and told me that he has a band and they need a singer so they can do live performances. And I'm like, okay. So I'm meeting him tomorrow. I'm gonna be very careful. I know, guys, I need to be very careful, and I know I'm gonna be very careful. I've done that before and it went well, so I'm gonna follow the same strategy that I followed last time I did this. In a week, I'm also returning back home for Christmas, and I'm so excited about this week and next week that I'm gonna go see my family, which I'm gonna also vlog, of course. So let's start getting ready to go sing. This is the outfit that I came up with. It's pretty basic. Okay, it is pretty basic because I didn't have a lot of time to get ready and pick out my outfit. I ended up wearing this turtleneck, this little cute necklace, don't mind my nails, this belt, and baggy jeans, and my boots, and these earrings. I love it. Okay, let's leave, and I'm so excited to have fun and sing after so long. So cute. Okay, I just got the package. It's pretty small. I can't believe I came here for this. And I'm gonna go eat somewhere because it took a long time to come here, and I don't want to just leave. I don't want to leave just yet. So we're gonna grab something to eat. took me 2.5 hours out of my life. Okay. So let's unbox the package. It's from the brand Nymphea Floss. I already know what's in this. I remember what I chose for them to send me. This is what came in. There are 3 products. I thought she was gonna send me 2 products. I'm gonna tell you which ones I chose. Okay. So this is the first one. This is a lot of this. Oh, and oh my gosh, they look so good. And it is in this little cute bottle. Deep hydration providing face cream. It looks like this. It's so cute. I really love the products. First of all, it's very heavy. And I really love the wood. I have no nails to do this one. And then we got the serum that I also remember choosing. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's the Free Radiant Fighter Face Serum. That is also wood, which is a lip balm with a thank you sticker. These are the ones that I remember choosing. She told me to choose 2 products from her site so she can send me that. And she also sent me this. It's a little, you just pop it out. It literally looks so homemade. I don't know how to explain this, but it looks homemade. Let me try it. This is amazing. It literally, the wooden packaging, and like you can tell that it has natural products in it. So thank you, Nymphea Floss. Thank you so much for your products and this amazing packaging. I can't believe this because I used to be manifesting this for this year, and I can't believe I actually am getting brand deals. That was literally one of my goals for this year, and the fact that I'm literally getting brand deals, I don't know. I'm so excited to try this. I have run out of moisturizer. I'm gonna now get ready to go meet the guy from TikTok so we can sing together. Who that? Hello. I came back and I was filming some videos for some brands. You can literally see the script right here. Like, let me show you. Here's the script to one of my videos. It literally helps me so much. This is so funny, but it literally helps me so much because I don't have to memorize the script and I can just stick it here and read it because it literally looks like I'm looking directly in the camera. It works because I don't have to memorize the whole script for every brand deal. But I came back from hanging out with that guy and singing with that guy. It was amazing. He wasn't some weirdo, so thank God. We went and we sang a lot of songs, and he gave me a lot of songs to learn. It was amazing, but I couldn't film anything because, you know, I was just meeting him. I couldn't just be like, oh my gosh, do you want to be my YouTube vlog? Hello. It was fun. So now I'm gonna get my makeup off, maybe film some covers for TikTok. Here's my TikTok, by the way. And then go to sleep. That has been my days. I hope you had fun watching this vlog. And another vlog is coming for the Christmas week and the New Year's week with me going back to my hometown, which I'm very excited about because I know I'm gonna be with my friends and we're gonna vlog and we're gonna have fun, go to parties, host a vision board night and do everything like that, which I'm very, very excited to meet them again and talk to them and do things with them. I'm gonna make that vlog as well, so stay tuned. Bye.